Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to download videos from the YouTube app. Now, I'm sure you already know how to download videos from here. Like, just come click on these three dots, click on a download video, and here, this will be saved to the YouTube app and their downloads. But if you want to download, for example, your own videos, right, all you need to do is come here at the bottom right, click on your profile icon, click on view channel, and then I want you to click on this icon for analytics. Scroll all the way down, click on go to YouTube Studio. And right here, I want you to click on content. Okay. Now here where you see videos, click on view all. And you can come and download any of these videos. So let's say I click on the three dots next to this video. Can click on save to device. And then it says, please enable notifications to save to device. So I'll just go ahead to my settings, and then you will search for YouTube Studio. So I'll go here under app list. Okay. So scroll all the way down and then open up YouTube Studio where it says permissions. We'll grant it notification permissions right here. Okay. And then we'll go back and open up YouTube Studio. Now click on V3 dogs, click on save to device. And there we go. It is currently saving. So if I scroll down here, you can see has been saved. I can click on view and I can find this in my gallery. So I'll click on adjust once.
All right, guys, and
There you go. Really that easy and simple.